Are robots the future of law enforcement? New York City is certainly exploring that option, and the use of DigiDog, a four-legged robot, is an example of controversial new technologies being pushed forward. While many are praising the robot's success in a building collapse response, critics have valid concerns over its potential for invasive surveillance, particularly of low-income people of color. N This April, New York City Mayor Eric Adams declared DigiDog is out of the pound, following its success in searching the rubble after a recent deadly parking garage collapse. Adams commended the first responders' use of the four-legged robot for the benefits of safety, despite the fact that it wasn't clear how useful it had actually been. He went on to insist that the successful use of the controversial robot should convince critics of its effectiveness. N But the criticism hasn't gone away, with Donna Lieberman, executive director of the New York Civil Liberties Union, pointing out the need for transparency when it comes to this and other potential technologies with the capacity to collect massive amounts of data on citizens. Albert Fox-Cahn, an attorney and executive director of the Surveillance Technology Oversight Project, added his own note of caution, saying, "I want to believe that these robots would be effective in a building collapse. But we need more than a couple of sound bites." N Adams pressed ahead regardless, and this month began rolling out robots to help New York police investigate high-risk areas, serving as a reminder of former Mayor Bill Blasio's proposal that resulted in backlash from people who were worried about unneeded surveillance targeting minorities. The police forces were withdrawn then, but Adams is seeking to reinstate the plan by promising to reinforce the use of facial recognition technology and increasing the power of the police. Again, this has been condemned as both inaccurate and targeting minorities. N It's clear that robot technology is becoming more and more prevalent in law enforcement, and it can certainly have its many benefits. But with issues of privacy and accuracy, we need to be vigilant that steps are taken to control these powerful technologies. It's a balancing act of using potentially beneficial technologies while also having due diligence and transparency in order to protect the citizens.